Hi, fourth grade students and parents. I'm Miss Graham. Most of you know me from last year as I was your child's teacher then. For those who are new in my class, welcome. I am so excited to get to know you and to learn with you this year and to have you in my class. We're going to go over a few things that are going to be going on this year. I'm going to keep it simple and brief, but if you guys have any questions, I am always here and you guys will get my information throughout this video. So, to begin. Our schedule this year, school starts at 8:15 and ends at 2:55. We will still have ELA, which includes reading and writing. We'll have math, science, and our specials, which include PE, art, and music. This year, breakfast will start at 8:15. Students will grab their breakfast from the cafeteria and then come upstairs to eat it in the classroom. We will be practicing social distancing this year with everything going on while still learning and still having fun. So keep that in mind, make sure you have your mask, your hand sanitizer, and we will still have a great classroom experience, just a little bit different, but keeping ourselves safe. I use ClassDojo frequently. You'll find all of our important information, things that your students have done, pictures, videos, any information that I need to relay to you, I will put there, and that's a great tool for you to contact me. So if you don't have ClassDojo already, please go on the website and sign up. Your supply list is listed on our school website, but I've also sent it on ClassDojo, so make sure you take a look at that. My email address is graham@pcsb.org. If you need to contact me by phone, my phone number is 727-314-3353. Like always, if you guys have any questions, any concerns, you need to talk to me about your students, their progress, please don't hesitate. I'm always here. I have an open door policy. I like to keep communication open. We are going to have a fabulous year. I cannot wait to see all of you guys on Monday.